Understand what boiling point measures. The boiling point is the temperature at which a liquid transitions into a gas. This phase change requires overcoming the intermolecular forces, IMFs, that hold the individual molecules or atoms together in the liquid phase. Stronger IMFs require more thermal energy to disrupt, resulting in a higher boiling point. Identify the type of intermolecular forces present in each substance. Neon, a noble gas consisting of individual atoms. It is completely nonpolar and is held together only by very weak London dispersion forces. HF, hydrogen fluoride, a highly polar molecule where a hydrogen atom is covalently bound to a highly electronegative fluorine atom. This structure allows HF molecules to form extremely strong hydrogen bonds, a highly concentrated, strong subclass of dipole-dipole interactions. C2H6, ethane, a symmetrical hydrocarbon. It is nonpolar and experiences only London dispersion forces. CH4, methane, a symmetrical tetrahedral hydrocarbon. It is nonpolar and experiences only London dispersion forces. Compare the relative strengths of the IMFs. Hydrogen bonding is much stronger than London dispersion forces for molecules of comparable size. Although C2H6 has a slightly larger, more polarizable electron cloud than HF, 18 electrons versus 10 electrons, which gives it stronger dispersion forces, the network of hydrogen bonding in HF is far stronger and more difficult to break than the dispersion forces of ethane. Determine the substance with the highest boiling point. Because HF is the only substance in this list capable of forming hydrogen bonds, its molecules are held together by the strongest intermolecular forces. Therefore, HF requires the most thermal energy to boil and has the highest boiling point. Confirming option B is correct. The correct answer is option B, HF, because its molecules form hydrogen bonds.